How to schedule a mail in Outlook. In today's fast-paced business world, being able to schedule emails in advance can be a valuable tool for managing your time and increasing your productivity. Microsoft Outlook offers a simple and effective way to schedule emails. In this video, we'll show you how to schedule a mail in Outlook in just a few easy steps. Advantages of schedule an email in Microsoft Outlook. Scheduling emails in Microsoft Outlook can help manage your time better and increase productivity by allowing you to send messages at the most convenient times for you and your recipients, avoid forgotten emails, and stay organized. How to schedule an email in Microsoft Outlook. To schedule an email in Microsoft Outlook, start by composing a new message. Next, click the Options tab in the toolbar, then click Delay Delivery to access the Delivery Options menu. Finally, select the desired date and time to send the email and click Close to schedule it for delivery. How to schedule a mail in Outlook on Mac. To schedule an email in Outlook on Mac, compose a new message, click the Options tab, then click the Delay Delivery to set a specific date and time for the email to be sent. How to schedule a mail in Outlook on Web. To schedule an email in Outlook on the web, start by composing a new message. Then, click the three dots in the toolbar and select Show Message Options. Next, choose the desired date and time under Do Not Deliver Before, and click Close to schedule the email for delivery. Finally, click Send to save the email in your drafts until the scheduled time.